Dr. Malik Johnson is here answering your dentist-related questions. All right, this person says, when I drink cold drinks or eat something cold, my tooth feels sensitive. What does this mean?
Oof. Well, depends on how sensitive, right? A lot of people have a little bit of generalized sensitivity to cold. But if that is very sensitive, if it's hurting, if it's making you jump up out your chair, come see us so we can take an x-ray, so we can look at it, so we can see what's going on. A lot of times that sensitivity is indicative of a cavity, and we can fix that for you before it gets turns into a bigger cavity and it causes you even more sensitivity. So first, I would say come see your dentist. Second, if you're having sensitivity, feels like it's kind of all over, try Sensodyne toothpaste, or some type of toothpaste that is aimed at sensitivity. A lot of patients have a lot of good results with that.
Well, this is a toothpaste question. They say, I've seen toothpaste that claim to restore your enamel. How effective are these products?
I like toothpaste that say that. Where is it actually restoring, like building back enamel? I'm not sure about that, but it's not aiding in the breaking down of enamel, and it's giving good nutrients and good ions and stuff like that to your teeth. So if you're a person who's experiencing sensitivity, a toothpaste with Sensodyne in it, something like that, or a toothpaste that claims to restore enamel should work better for you than toothpaste that do not.
Okay. This person says, should you brush before or after you use mouthwash? Does it matter?
The age-old question. I personally, I feel like every dentist has a different maybe train of thought around it. Me personally, I like to encourage people to rinse before they brush. And the reason being, so when you have the toothpaste, the fluoride, all the good stuff in the toothpaste, you brush it on your teeth, right? And then if you rinse it off, all that good stuff just went right down the sink. So I'll encourage people to rinse first, get bulk stuff out, and then follow it up with brushing. So the good stuff in the toothpaste gets to sit on your teeth longer and, do what we want it to do.
I know a lot of people like to skip the brushing at night because they're just like, I'm just tired, I'm going to go to bed. Tell us why skipping at night is not a good idea.
No, no, brush at night. All day, everything you drink, everything you eat is just sitting on your teeth, and you go to sleep. It's still just sitting on your teeth. While you're asleep, the bacteria is at work. So you want to get all that stuff off. So while you sleep, your teeth are happily resting just like you. So I tell patients, brush in the morning to keep your friends and brush at night to keep your teeth.
I like it. All right, this person says, what can we do to keep our teeth white?
To keep them white, definitely want to brush them 2 times a day, right? I'm gonna continue to say that 2 times a day, morning and night. But also a good starter level to whitening is just like some Crest white strips from Walgreens. Try those on, follow the directions on the packet. Don't want to overdo whitening. You want to do just enough. You don't want to overdo because that'll increase sensitivity sometimes. You can kind of ruin some of the enamel on your teeth with too much whitening. So my first recommendation is always whitening strips behind the counter. If you feel like that's unsuccessful or it's not doing what you want to do, come see your dentist. We do bleaching trays in the office. Sometimes we have the blue light whitening that's really popular right now, things like that. So come see us, but first things first, I would try some whitening strips from behind the counter.
All right, we're almost done. I know that you are in a Winston-Salem office, but you're coming to Greensboro.
Coming to Greensboro. So, and right now I'm practicing with Dr. Eric Sadler in Winston-Salem. So if you're in Winston-Salem, come check out Dr. Sadler. He's been my mentor for a while, done a lot of great things for me and a lot of great things for the community. But then also in August, I'll be starting at Grandover Village Dental Care in Greensboro, North Carolina.
All right, well, welcome to
So,
Greensboro early.
thank you very much. So if you're one of those people and you're scared of the dentist and things like that, come see me. I'll take good care of you.
Well, thank you for your time and your expertise. For those of you who missed any of this, you can go into the Two Wants to Know section of WFNYnews2.com.